Guys, today I want to talk about if you are planning to do a wooden door in your home or offices or anywhere you want to do interior wooden door. The best idea is you create a subframe. In this one we have a subframe already. The subframe is installed in plastering. It's a wood, it's a skeleton wood that is hanged already in the wall. So the wooden door is going to be using the subframe as the strength, as the energy. That is what it's going to rely on. But in some new technology, installation foam is now introduced. Sometimes we use installation foam. But we have been had several times between installation foam and subframe. Which one is better? But installation foam is something that we fade up or we expire anytime. But this one will still stand for so many years, the door will be used. So now that is about the preparation of HDF door. So then after preparing the subframe, before you create a subframe is something that will be constructed on physical ground, then we place and plaster with cement and sand or mortar. But when you are doing it, you need to know the measurement you are putting in. So then after that, we'll talk about the final measurement. The reason we always advise that after tiling or after you're screening all of that job is when you should do POP, is when you should do installation of this door, is that the height of tiles is now out, the width is out, and so many factors have been deducted. So we have our final height, our final width, and this will give us a perfect finishing. So if you want to take the measurement of a wooden door, you take the thickness of the wall. The thickness of the wall, you take the width of the wall to wall, and you take the height wall to wall. That is the major information you need. But another factor that is very important when you want to take the measurement is that most of the bricklayers working in this part of the world doesn't work with flump. So you can have a thickness about 11 inches at the top, 9 inches at the middle, and another 10 inches below. So the dimensions is not equal. So when you are taking this kind of measurement, you take both top, middle, and the bottom. So and the last, then the highest measurement will be selected. Then when we use the highest measurement, it's going to cover all other places. Then maybe doing painting or doing screeding, the opening by the side of the job will now be used, POP will now be used to shade it up, to protect it. So this is how we take the measurement of the HDF wooden door. In this house, I did this installation of this German cast door. Was installed some time ago. We installed it because of the direction of rainfall, and it's going to last for long. And also we have this is a minimum budget toilet door. The minimum budget toilet door incorporated with glass and aluminium. This is water resistant. It will stay there for life. So far it is being used, but I prefer this compared to the aluko board that is being so much recommended. Aluko board is look local, it doesn't bring out the interior finishes of the wall. At least this is sold about 40,000 naira, and it brings out the finishing of the whole project. So guys, this is a good finishes in the concept. Yeah. I can put the measurement.